Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm doing a little PR unboxing. So as you guys know, like, companies will reach out. They see my little PR videos, I guess, and they reach out and they're like, hey, we have this thing for you to review. Would you like to review it? And basically what I do is I just like, I go by a couple factors. One is like fun. Does it look like an interesting item that might be just interesting? Like, to me, I find it, I'm like, wow, that's, never heard of anything like that before. Or two, is it something that I actually use I want to share with you guys? So when we do these unboxings, there's nothing included that, like, I'm always like, my address is just straight up showing. There's never anything that, like, I'm not interested in, or I'm like, eh. So just so in case you guys are ever wondering, you do not have to watch these videos. I know how sometimes some people feel a certain way about them. I love making them. I think it's fun. I like watching other people, so... also, what are you thinking of my hair? This is, if you're ever wondering, what does Ashley's hair look like if she just got out of the shower and didn't do anything to it? This is it. Naturally, like, super curly, kind of frizzy. All right. I'm going to start with the smallest. This is actually from Hello. Like, they make toothpaste. They're available at Target. They're like, oh, you get a children's toothpaste sample. And I'm thinking, like, oh, tube. And they sent this. So, hey, I mean, will my kids try it? And hopefully they'll like it. Yeah. I mean, is that like a sample? That I don't... Yeah, I guess that's a sample in the very traditional sense of a sample. All right. Then this is from a company called Bodiscent, or B-O-D-I-S-C-E-N-T. So these are body deodorizing capsules, okay? I'm not sure exactly how it works. There's 30 in here, right? So you get a 30-day supply, and then you use these, and I guess you don't need to have to worry about deodorant, or I'm not sure. Because I'm guessing everybody has to release, like, sweat and toxins. I don't know if these, like, mask the odor of it, because in here is parsley powder, chlorophyllin, peppermint leaf powder, magnesium stearate, and then magnesium. Which I like magnesium anyway. So this is a food supplement. And it's 100% natural, which is cool. They're from Canada. I'm going to do a full review on this. Just if you're interested in checking that out, I will be doing that. I'm curious. And if it wasn't all natural, I wouldn't try it, but it is. So I want to know. Actually, do we want to see? I mean, I want to take my pictures while it's still sealed. Yeah. All right, anyway. All right, next we've got, okay, we'll just move along in the supplements department. So this is from a brand called Utzy Naturals. They had reached out to me. They have a whole bunch of different, like, supplements, like sleeping, melatonin stuff. And I'm trying to stay away from melatonin right now. But then I saw they have magnesium. And you guys, I don't know if you guys have heard me talk about how much I love taking magnesium. I got a couple packets back in the daily goodie box. And they claim it helps with, like, well-being and feeling good because the salts elevate. I don't know if it's, like, in here or it's an actual thing. It worked for me. And I was like, I like this. I like taking this. I like, you know what I mean? All right, so this comes with a little thank you note, a daily sleep diary, which is interesting. And we're going to... Oh, it's packed in here really well. There's two things in here. Maybe there's two. Or maybe there's two different things. So it's... I'll just show you, because it looks really cute, actually. They really did a nice job packaging them. So here's the first jar. Alright, so this is the Umag Relaxing Magnesium Drink, and it's in a lemon flavor. These are really nice, like, jars. Like, I'll tell you right now, I'll be reusing this baby. So, this is from their foundations line. There's a 5.9 ounces in here, so there's a lot. Now, you only use one scoop, so you're gonna, I don't know if that's, they include one. It sounds like it, can you hear that? And then you probably just put it, I'm gonna guess, place 1 scoop of powder in an 8-ounce glass, add approximately 2 to 3 ounces of water, let it fizz, then stir until dissolved, fill the rest of the glass with water and enjoy. If you're pregnant or nursing, consult your physician. So there is that. Oliver just busted in here. All right. So there's another item in here. So there's this. It's a jar. So this is Stay Asleep. Oh, and I think this is so cute. It's the name of the brand is Utzy Naturals. So it's Utzy's Stay Asleep Natural Sleep Aid. So what's in here? Oh wow, so this is also a magnesium. So it's calcium and magnesium. There's no melatonin. I like that. I don't want to I'm afraid that I'm going to overuse melatonin. I have I feel like I'm taking too much sometimes. Like when I take it, I'm like, I will wake up and I'll feel like kind of groggy, and I don't want to feel like that. So serving size, 4 capsules. I'm going to read, I didn't even see this one and I didn't ask about that, but they sent it anyway. So that's really cool. And I love, you guys know I love magnesium. So anyway, for occasional sleeplessness only, cannot take this every night. 4 capsules, 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, or as directed by your healthcare professional, formulated to be free of allergens derived from gluten, yeast, artificial colors, and flavors. Do not consume this if you're pregnant or nursing. Consult your physician. So basically it's mostly calcium. No, it's actually mostly magnesium. And then calcium. It also has 5-HTP. I don't know what that is. Gamma aminobutyric acid, or pharma-GABA. L-theanine, sour cherry powder, ashwagandha root extract, and then German chamomile. I'm excited to try that out. I mean, not right away, but you know what I mean. All right, so that is from Utzy Naturals. All right, next. All right, so this is from, oh, this is the toothpaste. This is from Dental Experts, I believe the name. Dental Expert. So they have some of the most amazing flavor ranges, right? This is just the mint. It's a charcoal active whitening charcoal toothpaste. Best mint fresher breath herbal. Best mint fresher breath herbal. So there's that. So here is the ingredients in this, because it's like an all natural. Sorbitol, which is a sugar alcohol. Hydrated silica, water, sodium lauryl, sulfate, peppermint oil, cellulose gum, glycerin, sodium benzoate, sodium pyrophosphate, saccharin, sodium clove oil, xanthan gum, bamboo, charcoal extract, disodium EDTA, and titanium dioxide. So comprehensive, created from organic ingredients, our brand new whitening paste is best if you love fresh breath and like to smile. This is an all-purpose cleaner that's highly effective for removing dental stains and keeping your teeth white. All natural, safe remedy, fresh breath. So there is that. And it's a 3.7 ounce tube. I'm not going to open it here. If you're interested in any of the reviews, I'm going to be reviewing all these items, just so you guys know. All right. All right. This is from a Canadian company called Remay. I think they're from Canada. This is like a shaving bar. Like, it sounded really interesting to me. So basically, look at how cute these are. Glide and shave gel bar. So it's like, you open this up. There's 2 in here, so I'm gonna open one up on camera just so you guys can see, because this one already, look. Haha, look at that. All right. This tells you about it. It's paraben and sulfate free. All right, so like, you see this? It came in the package, but it like kind of tilted, you know, in transit. All right, so you're gonna pop it out. It has like a light floral, and then it's like a shaving bar, like a gel bar. How cool is that? You see it? Weird, right? I've never heard of anything like that. We're going to test it out and see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. What is this scent? I don't know all the scents. I'm going to be doing a full review, so if you're interested, foam-free. Oh no, you can use it foam-free. When used in the shower, Remay protects your skin with an invisible layer of lubrication that allows your razor to glide effortlessly, or foam. Apply Remay using minimal water to create a lighter lather. It doesn't say that the scent. Wow. It's like a floral though. I don't know if they have a bunch. I'm like just sitting here reading the label. Sorry guys. Okay. Finally we have, this is from, is this like, hold on, you're going to see. We're going to look at it together. I just got this email and I was like, do you want to review this? I was like, sure. That's cool. It was shipped from Amazon. So you can buy these on Amazon. So this is Lee Stafford Coco Loco Blow and Go Nuts 1875 watt blow dryer. So this is a blow dryer and I actually need like a really nice one. So I'm going to try this one out. I'm excited. This gorgeous, it's pink and rose gold, right? So like look at the picture. Isn't it pretty? It's only $20. Why are some letters all capital? CLCBL. I don't know. Oh, anyway. With a powerful 1875 watt motor, your hair can stay softer, sleeker, and smoother for longer. It's got cool set. It's got the cool setting. It has a concentrator. It's 2 and 3 speed. No, 2 speed and 3 heat settings for ultimate control. Product improvement. So that's great. And I can't use hot air. It makes my hair just too much. I mean, like if I would, no, like hairstylists can do it to my hair and I just don't have the time like to sit for 4 hours. So I like the cool because I feel like my hair doesn't get as frizzy. So that's all my whole little PR haul. I don't feel like overly zealous today like I always do though. I don't know. It's the weather, I think. Anyway, if you're interested in any of the reviews, please check those out below. I will link to each of the products. I'll put the prices as well so you guys can kind of get a feel for what they cost. And that is everything. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments and news down below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!